High five! Nakatap your screen. So, man kada sa iba man kada og kuan.
Sige, wala nang email, oy.
You ask some entertainment questions. Yeah. Hindi naman alam ng moderator niya na nagbibiruan lang kami ng live streamer. Yung foreign moderator nag-assume. Alam ko na yan. alam ko yung chismis mo. As in, ganun talaga. Sinasabi na nga yung mga afam-afam yihe, na hindi mabiro yun. Yung iba ha, hindi ko nila lahat. Yung iba, hindi mabiro yun. Kaya, seryoso yung iba. Kasi hindi kasi nila tayo naiintindihan na biruan lang tayo, nagtatawanan lang tayo. Sila sobrang seryoso. Kasi hindi sila makaintindi sa atin. Tayo, makaintindi tayo sa kanila. Yun naman ang sinasabi ko eh. Wait lang. Lagay muna tayo ng please subscribe me. No, I can't take one more step towards you. So that's why it remains again. Ask any questions. Okay, where do you live, Binod? Where are you from? I adapt question her ask. Okay. What is your business, Vinod? My home. Okay. You live in your home. Okay. What country, Vinod? What country do you live? Ang lamok ay.
Isa. Sakto na. Kudali.
My country? Yes, your country. What is the name of your country?